research and then they had research. So when Jason called me, he is really meron siya archiving research on old Spanish, old Escolta map. And then meron pa siya archival documents. And then he told me about the exhibit about Escolta. So basically, very general understanding ako. Sabi niya, gusto nila na parang creative counterpart. So, pinagigil sa akin lahat ng archival documents and tumilaw ako ng pwede inspiration, pwede inspiration. So, I chose the Trinidad since it's the first landmaster for the Philippines. So, yung design na talaga, I wanted it to be interactive print na installation. So, para magkaroon yung mga visitors ng virtual learning experience. So, I wanted to be interactive and tactile experience. So, yung approach ko, actually, meron akong dalawang alternative. Kasi usually, for installation, even for gatherings, or even for events, usually, yung mga tao dyan, iba-ibang klase siya. So, meron mga tao, kung ba, yung college ko, sobrang big-big siya. So, usually, yung mga tao, hindi niya po siya mahilat ng stall, hindi niya check lahat, hindi siya sustain yung sobrang tagal. So, ang gusto ko, meron akong isa, for people na few seconds na, at least, makita nila yung Pilipinas, magkakaroon sila ng idea na, okay, may idea pala sa Pilipinas kung paano na Spanish communication na dumadaan sa school. May mga tao na hindi na sila magbabasa, hindi na sila magbabrowse. Kasi imagine, kung buong building yung pupuntahan mo, ilang oras yung kailangan mo to check everything. It's overwhelming. Kahit ako na yung senses ko, sobrang hindi ko na kaya yung dami ng crowd. So, parang ako yung kaya ko sa isa-isa. So, parang dinesign ko talaga siya that even if you just have a few seconds, meron ka pa rin and the other is if you want to spend more time. Kasi yung background ko is anthropology and usually if I have exhibit, my friends na from social sciences, nagkareklamo sila na bakit puro visual? Walang masyadong narrative. So mag-iba siya ng mag-iba sila ng background. Gano'n talaga, kasi iba sa different backgrounds, hindi ko hinahanap. Tapos in-explain ko sa kanila, kasi kung talaga pag-gatherings, usually mas visual yan. Ayaw nila ng hindi ethnographic, hindi ethnographic